Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a TikTok video on the VistaCreate application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and in the animated design section you can find the last option, the TikTok video. And here select a template and click to the use this template option. If you want to add the images to your project, click to the photos button at the lower left corner of the screen. And here you can search images and you can upload from your gallery. If you want to change the text, click to the text box. You can edit, you can select another font type, and you can edit the size of your text, for example. In the object section you can find different objects. For example, click the ice cream and new, you can move and you can edit the size. In the animation section you can find different animations which you can add to your project. In the music section you can search music. For example, click to the summer, and if you want to add a song, just click to the plus icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.